Alright, what's going on, guys? We're at, what's it called, Daddy? UC Woods today. And we're going on a little walk. Yeah. Emmett, there's no... Emmett, we didn't even bring guns. Oh. Okay, maybe I should hold on to this tight when we cross the bridge.
Whoa.
Okay, I need to hold on to this tight. But there's
He's down here.
the river.
That is a deep river.
If you guys are afraid of heights, cover your eyes. Is that a frog down there? Daddy, stop shaking the bridge.
I wish you could go tubing in there.
The water is very still today.
Yeah,
I wish you could go tubing
like
in there.
no wind. That's probably why.
No
I wish you
wind
could
and
go
probably no
tubing
new
in
water
there.
coming in because it hasn't rained really.
I wish you could go tubing in there.
Yeah.
You know, it's too dirty.
The water is really low because it hasn't rained in a few days. Well, actually, it hasn't rained in a month, probably. There's a fork in the road.
Oh, and we can't go tubing because... Is that a crashed boat?
Where?
That's a crashed little boat.
Where?
That's Omnom's boat.
It is.
It's Omnom's boat.
Where is it? I can't see it on the camera.
Oh, it's by all that sticks.
Where? Oh, there it is. I see Omnom in there.
You
Yeah.
see Omnom there?
Emmett, come here.
Is that a dead butterfly?
Emmett, come here and look.
Omnom? I don't see Omnom.
Emmett, look at the camera. Oh wait, that's not Omnom.
Where did you think you saw Omnom?
I thought that's the other side of the boat was Omnom.
Oh.
Wait, Daddy? Oh, there you are. Emmett, come on. Ooh,
This is the way I wanted to go.
it's cool.
Oh, what's on Social Light?
Say, if you. Hi, Emmett.
Oh, that was a big splash.
What'd you just drop?
A walnut in
Oh.
it. It was a giant splash. I could see the walnut at the bottom.
Oh. Emmett, come on. See that? That's Emmett.
I love some of the stuff in the flowers. Flowers? What does that even mean?
I don't know.
It matched. Where's Daddy? Oh.
Which way?
You decide.
Let's go right.
Where you want to go?
Ooh,
Guys, that way,
See
right?
how big of a splash this makes.
Let's do that on the way back. We're never going to get moving if you are going back to the bridge every 2 seconds.
Day, is that right?
I'm gonna pick sticks
Okay,
up
let's go
while
right.
we're walking.
We're going right, people. I mean, guys.
Oh,
Well, look at these weird trees. They're so thin.
No, leave it alone.
See them? They're so thin.
Sticks out of the forest.
Crazy. Wow, this is a really wide path. See all those sticks over there, guys?
hey, you're gonna need some pictures.
See, we probably
I'm
can't
not
always
carrying
see them
any of
that
those
well.
sticks. You don't need to be picking up all the sticks.
kind of sunny here. Sorry guys, can't really see anything. Do you guys, looks like they mowed this. Seems like they mowed this actually. Do you guys see that? There's like a log stuck in a tree. And oh my god, there's so many leaves. Oh.
Can you hold some of these?
I'm holding the camera, I can't.
Emmett, why do you want to carry all these sticks?
Because I want to throw them in the lake.
Well, we're gonna walk back by the bridge in a minute. Just leave them on the ground, and we'll pick them up on the way back. Okay?
Well, what if someone else picks them up?
No one's gonna pick them up. I'm gonna move them off the path so nobody trips over them. Okay? We'll put them right here.
Okay, well, guess.
But there are more sticks than you can ever pick up. Okay?
If you guys see any deer, comment down below in the comment section. Well, it's probably not going to be able to see any. Do you see the way this tree grew, guys? Do you see that? Oh, it's a little too thin. Look at this. Look at this tree.
Let's hope that's not poison ivy, buddy.
This is not poison ivy.
Okay. Doesn't look like it.
No.
You gotta check before you start grabbing on viney looking things like this.
Poison ivy isn't that tall.
It can get big like that.
Oh.
And sometimes when it's this big, it has like red hairs on it. But
Doesn't.
sometimes it might not too.
That looks like a tree.
Okay, but poison ivy vines grow up trees like that. Okay? This is what poison ivy looks like when it, kind of like this when it gets really, when it lives for a long time and gets old. This doesn't look like poison ivy, but you just have to be careful, okay?
That's a big stick. No one can. Yeah. What's this?
I don't think it usually gets that big around.
A little string?
Yeah, it's just a little.
It's feathers.
Feathers? Chicken died? Did chicken die?
No, those are not feathers.
What are you talking about? The chicken died.
Chicken Ooh, this is cool. This is like a little mini forest. Right, Daddy?
It's like a mini forest.
Yeah.
Let me see that.
Let's see the stick.
Not picking up all the sticks.
Oh!
Awesome stick.
Okay.
You don't need to carry sticks around.
Okay, no one could lift that.
Look at this thing.
No one can lift that.
Crazy big.
If someone threw it, if Superman threw that in the lake, then
It would probably splash like up to here.
no, it would probably flash on Superman.
Yeah. Left, right, or forward. Okay, I guess we're going right. Again.
If you're going to be filming, you need to keep the camera up and straight because people aren't going to want to watch a video where it's just constantly shaking around, okay?
Okay.
Okay, bye, Emmett.
Bye.
We're going this way.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll see you later. Maybe we will, maybe we won't.
He's coming.
This is a very nice path.
Yeah. Like no sticks in the way. Now, right as I say that, I'm going to trip over a stick. Okay, I guess not.
So you only like scary paths that are up high and in the hills and in the mountains and have big cliffs?
I just had sunglasses on, guys, so. Ooh, look at this. Which way, guys? This way? Or this way?
You choose.
Now I was talking to the people that are watching this. Wow, this looks a lot more beautiful with sunglasses off. That looks like an animal path.
Show it on your video.
See this little path? Looks like an animal path.
That is an animal path.
What kind of animal do you think made that path?
Maybe a
That's a snake path.
maybe a deer.
No, that's a
Yeah,
snake
probably
path.
a deer.
That's
Yeah.
a snake path.
That would be a really, really big snake to
Yeah.
make a path that big.
Guys, do you see that weird looking tree? Like,
It's the hugging tree.
yeah, the hugging tree. Holy cow, this-
There's a tree right there, and there's one over there, and you see it? They're coming together right in the middle. Look right here. See that one that goes like that? That's one tree and another tree, and they're bent, and they're meeting right in the middle.
That
Isn't
tree,
cool?
the tree that is like an arch is going back into the ground.
Well, that's what it looks like from here anyway. It might just be one tree that grew up and back down to the ground, but it looks like it's two different trees. But
Yeah.
we'll still call it the hugging tree.
Uh-huh. This is cool. Another animal path.
Don't eat them.
What are they?
Don't even
Oh,
touch them.
bird berries.
No, I think they're okay. They're what they call autumn berries, but
Another animal path.
we don't want to eat them if we're not sure. I don't think they really taste that
I
good.
think this is another deer path.
What is that red thing?
What red? That's a mushroom. Wait, no.
That's a red leaf.
No, that's a red sock.
No, it's a red leaf.
Oh. Wow.
Because it's turning into fall, so the leaves are going to start changing colors. Some of them already have.
Yeah.
Some of them are starting to fall to the ground right now.
Uh-huh.
There was mushrooms here.
There are mushrooms sometimes.
Yeah.
I saw some mushrooms growing in our backyard the other day, and then
What?
Misha smashed them all.
Aww. Do you guys see that pink leaf? Well, you probably can't see it.
There are a lot of
guys.
mushrooms growing on that tree stump that's next to our hammock.
What? I don't remember that.
Oh, look at all that.
Ugh. A leaf just fell on me. This is not fake, guys.
Oh, there's a mushroom.
We did not turn our backyard to make it look.
There's some mushrooms.
I thought these were just leaves. Guys, we did not turn our backyard to make it look like a forest. This is actually Busey Woods, not our house. Yeah, I just told them that we didn't change our backyard to make it look like Busey Woods. This is a really thin path. Then it went from wide to thin. Ew, what the heck is that? What in the world?
See this?
Yeah.
That's a poison ivy vine. I can see all the hairs on it, but they're not red right now. So see, it looks like that and it grows up trees. That's what the plant looks like when it grows a lot. Usually when we see it, it's just a little one that with the leaves on the ground, but
Yeah.
if nobody cuts it down, then it can grow really big and climb up the tree.
Is that a mushroom? That
Looks like, yeah, that's a little mushroom.
it kind of looks like. Look, there's 3 walnuts right there.
And why are you crushing the mushroom?
Because I love crushing
Look, there's 3 walnuts right there. What the heck? There's something over there.
It's like a little grasshopper or something.
Yeah. Let's keep going.
Okay. Let's see. Oh, another one.
Wait, this might have been a whole river and then it dried up because it didn't rain for months. And then now it's a path.
Could be.
Did you say bee?
I said it could be. I didn't say bee like a
Ah!
bumblebee.
Look at that spider. Oh, God. Smash it and it's following me.
Focus your camera on what? No, don't smash him.
Devin told me to smash him.
Don't smash him.
But that's a Spider-Man spider.
That's what we call a daddy long leg spider.
Yep. I saw one of those when we...
Not gonna hurt you, okay? Just leave him alone.
I
Let
saw-
the forest creatures. Let the forest creatures be.
I saw one of those when we were at the hotel in...
I know.
Where was it?
Well, Devlin, people have different names for them, but just a common name for them is a daddy long legs.
Butterfly!
Oh, that's a nice one.
It's a monarch.
But you're not even trying to show it. Oh, look, here it comes. Look right here.
I've seen those butterflies so many times.
The happiest monarch in the world.
I see you hold
Daddy, it's
don't
about
know.
to run out of battery.
It is?
Yeah.
This is the only stick I want you to see.
Well, bye guys.